So, good morning, students. Question is that today the one more practical problem on the maxima minima. Question is that if a window is in the form of rectangle surmounted by semicircle having perimeter 10 meter, okay, find dimensions of the window to allow maximum light. और in place of allow कीजिए admitted भी लिखा होगा. So meaning of both is same that. So for understanding the important thing is this is the keyword maximum light. So to enter the maximum light inside the window, what should be the area of that window should be large. Okay, as far as the area will be maximum, the admitted light or the light inside the room from the window will be maximum. So here what you have to do, we have to form the function for maximum light, that is maximum area. So area of this window is given here. See, this is the window. This is window. So and it's a semicircular part. Its radius is r. So what will do this? It is 2r or not? Because diameter, this is diameter of semicircle and this will be window, so this is equal to this. And suppose this is x and this is also x. So these are the dimensions assumed by us of the window. So now we have to construct the function for area. So what will be area? Area will be, what should be its area? L into B. This is length, this is width. It is 2r into x plus, and area of the semicircular region is half pi r square. But how many variables it have? 3. 1, 2 and 3. So 3 variables is not possible to take the functions I told. That is there should be only 2. So for that we have given the hint that its perimeter is 10. Its perimeter is 10. So here you write P equal to what? What is the perimeter of this window? Window means only outing, okay, not the you don't conclude in perimeter this foot. Perimeter means boundary. So here boundary is, it is 2r, this one 2r plus x and x 2x and plus, and this region is what? This is, this is say circumference actually, semi circumference. So circumference 2 pi r. So what is semi? It is pi r. No need to explain in detail because these terms already you learned from the junior classes. Okay. So now what you have to do? So how many variables are there? And perimeter is given 10. Equal to 10 is given. Equal to 10. So from here calculate x. So 2x equal to what will be? It is 10 minus 2r minus pi r. So x equal to, here it is x or 2x, it is x. So 2x is there. So whole value can be right. So no need to calculate what? X separately. Okay. So now what you have to do? Place the value of this x here. So a equal to what? A equal to r. If this is 2r now, sorry 2x, the value of 2x is there. So right here it is 10 minus 2r minus pi r. This is n plus half pi r square. This is separate part. Half pi r square. Clear? So this is part of that one. Separate कर देते हैं. Now. So now how many variables are there? Only two, a and r. A and r. Differentiate now. Very simple thing. So it is now dA upon dr is equal to what? With respect to r we are going to differentiate. Okay. पहले multiply करेंगे. Goes for product first. एक step और बढ़ा लेते हैं. So it will be more easier. So a equal to, so a equal to, it is what? 10r minus 2r square minus pi r square plus half pi r square. Is it? So now in this line we can simplify it. What will be? 10r, no problem. 2r square, pi r square, pi r square. These are two like term, no? D to a pi. So half pi r square minus pi r square, 10r into adjudiced, no problem. Minus 2r square, no problem. And then it is what? pi r square, half pi r square. So it will be minus half pi r square. It will be minus half pi r square. So now we have to differentiate this one. So what you will have now, dA upon dr is equal to, what will be, with respect to r is the r, derivative is 1, so its derivative is 10 minus r square is 2r, so it is 2 already there, so it is 4r, and it is now what will be, it will be 2 pi r, so 2 will be cancelled, so finally it is pi r, I think, na? It is pi. You check yourself out. If any mistake is there, so tell me. Okay, am I right or not? So now because its derivative is 2r, so it is half is there, pi is there, 2 cancel, so it is pi r only. What is that? Pi r. This is a part. Okay. So now pi r is written here. So now next step is for critical point. For critical point, what will be, dA upon dr is equal to what? 0. So now what you have to do? So थोड़ा सा हम थोड़ा मूव करा लेते हैं, इसको स्पेस की प्रॉब्लम. Okay. So for critical point, what you have to do? This is what equal to 0. So this should be equal to 0. So it is that 10 minus okay. It is what? 10 minus 4r minus pi r is equal to what? 0. So here what can we do? 10 equal to, इस दोनों प्लस लाइन कर जाएंगे, 4r plus pi r is equal to r is common, so it is 4 plus pi. 4 plus pi. So what is r from here? R you can, what can you get? एक लाइन लिख देते हैं. So r equal to that is 10 upon 4 plus pi. This is simple mathematics. There is no confusion should be. So value r is obtained. So now there is a relation in r and x, and we have to find dimensions of r and x. So from here what we will do? So थोड़ा इसको नीचे move करते हैं. So move for moving, what we will do? Move up. So indoor. So move is this, है ना? तो थोड़ा नीचे लाते हैं, देखिए. Here it is. A x and r में relation है, कहाँ देखिए? So that should be here. It is 2x equal to, है ना? Relation is, क्या relation है? That is 2x So now see, this is the relation. So 2x equal to, so value of r, this is value of r now. So we'll place this one. 10 minus 2 into 10 upon 4 plus pi minus pi r, pi into 10 upon 4 plus pi. This is the value of 2x, clear? And we need x. So x equal to what? Again I need to move. So x equal to, so x equal to this, it will be 5. 2 से cancel हो जाएगा. Minus 2 से cancel होगा, 10 upon 4 plus 5 only. Is it? And it is minus 2 will be multiplied this one, it will be what? So divide upon में आ रहा है. So it is 5 upon 5 pi upon 4 plus pi. Is it? सही हो गया? So this is the value of x. So now go for the simplification. और कुछ नहीं करना आपने. So take LCM. So x equal to, LCM is 4 plus pi. So what will be this? 5 4 plus pi minus 10 minus 5 pi. It will give what? Solve कर लो. It is 20 plus 5 pi minus 10 minus 5 pi upon 4 plus pi. So now 4 plus pi है ना. So 5 pi will cancel 5 pi. So what is result finally? Final result is, that is 10 upon 4 plus pi. 10 upon 4 plus pi. Clear? So these both the values are what? X is what? 10 upon 4 plus pi, and y is equal to what? 10 upon 4 plus pi. Is it clear? So in the diagram, what we assume? We assume that move current थोड़ा सा. So value of x and tan upon 4 plus 5 both are value are same. Again move I'm moving C for explaining this one. See. So this is the diagram, right? Dimensions. So dimensions. This is one dimensions. This is one dimensions. This is one dimension. So you see this one. This is one dimension, right? This is what 2r. So what is value of r? So 2r is equal to, that is value of r is 10 upon 4 plus 5. So it is what 20 upon. So this is not value of r actually. R लिख देंगे. R इसको पहले निकाल देते हैं. Okay, that was the value of x. ये value of x निकालना था ना. पहले क्या निकाला हमने? d upon dr करेक्ट. सही r ये है, सही है. So r equal to 2r equal to what? Then 20 upon 4 plus 5. What is that? 4 plus 5 meter or centimeter. What is that? So one dimension is this. That is what? 20 upon 4 plus 5. If it is meter, so meter. If it is centimeter, centimeter होगा बहुत बड़ा दिमाग. It is centimeter. Okay. And it is in the starting it is meter. Meter तो meter ही होगा. सही है. It is meter. So yes. So this will be what? Meter. This will be what? Meter. And then another dimension is what? X, and x value of x, that is 10 upon 4 plus 5. So these are the two results of this answer. So dimensions 2r. So this dimension is what? This dimension is what? That is 2r, and 2r equal to 20 upon 4 plus 5. And then another dimension, that is x. जो width कह सकते हैं आप विंडो का. So that is what? 10 upon 4 plus 5. So एक बार मैं थोड़ा सा ऊपर से एक सेकंड के लिए आपको चेक करा दूं ताकि जो है आप इसको कॉपी करना चाहते कर लेंगे. अच्छा ये तो बहुत जगह है. So this is the question actually. Question लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, मैं लिखा होगा मैं शुरू में. So from here it is solution is from here. Solution is from here. So what is that? A equal to pi x plus half pi r square. So this is what area. So now and parameter is this is given information. This is the given information. So we have to differentiate this one with the for the area, because it is given that maximum area. But question is not completed now. One step is more there. So the dimensions are from it. But now what we have to do? We have to check if this is the area is maximum. This area is maximum. So for maximum minimum, what we will do? We will go for double derivative. What we will do? We will go for double derivative. Okay. So for maximum minimum, what we will do now? For maximum and minimum, what do you do? What do you do? Double derivative. So that is d2a upon dr square is equal to, so further we need what? dA upon dt. अभी move करना पड़ेगा हमें. Move. So we need dA upon dr. dA upon dr is where it is. It is dA upon dr. क्या है? थोड़ा सा करो है ना. 10 minus 4r minus pi r. dA upon dr is 10 minus 4r minus pi r. It is actually dA upon dr. I लिखता हूँ. dA upon dr is equal to 10 minus 4r minus pi r. This is I think, no? It is dA upon dr. So move. Yes. 10 minus 4r minus pi r. 10 minus 4r minus pi r. So this is that single order derivative. So now we have to go for double derivative. Right? So I am doing here. So I am going to differentiate again this one. So now what will be? X is derivative 0. It is what? It is minus 4, and it is minus pi. Clear? So what is the given result? Minus, it is 5 plus 4, and this is always less than 0 because of this negative sign is less than 0. Hence the area will be what? Hence area will be maximum or largest, whatever you want to write, at x equal to what? That is 10 upon 4 plus pi, and radius is r is also that is 10 upon 4 plus pi. But dimensions are I will the shape ऐसा था कुछ हो. So that was the shape. So इसको मैंने ये माना था. This was radius r, तो ये r है जो 2r हो गया था, and this x assume किया था. This is semicircle region है ना, और हमें निकालना था 2r और 2r. What is r is this? So 2r is 20 upon है ना. So here you can write 2r equal to that is 20 upon 4 plus pi, and x is what? This, and y 2r is what? This. So this is your final, and you write a unit also here meter, and here also it is meter. So this is your final solution. So you may copy it. एक बार थोड़ा नीचे कर दूं आपके फॉर योर दैट इज कॉपिंग. स्टार्टिंग से हल्का हल्का स्लोली मैं डाउन करूंगा, आप देख लीजिएगा है ना. So from here data है ना, question is this. So area का फंक्शन मैंने ये बनाया, area equal to this, and then the given parameter. Then I reduce 3 variables into. So this is the final जो formula that is function for area 10r minus 2r square minus pi r square, और इसको सॉर्ट करके 10r minus 2r square half pi r square. This is what? This is the function for maximum area. So now maximum minimum decide नहीं, but according question I am saying. So then derivative here d upon dr first order derivative for critical point equal to 0, and then I am getting r के भाया 10 upon 4 plus i. उसके बाद हमें क्या करना है? We have to calculate value x also. r की वैल्यू मैंने x में रखी, तो आपके क्या है x लिया, हमारा x आ गया कितना 10 upon 4 plus i. Again it is coming for maximum minimum. again what I do, जो मेरा डेरिवेटिव आया था फर्स्ट ऑर्डर का, दिस वाज द फर्स्ट ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव. ये हमारा फर्स्ट ऑर्डर का डेरिवेटिव था, कौन सा? ये वाला. इसको हमने डबल डेरिवेटिव किया, ये आया दैट इज -4 pi. And why we do this one, you know, to check whether the area is maximum or minimum. Okay, so this is the question. So this type of question will be asked in the examination, and their concept is same. Their concept is same. Just you have to needs practice. आपको practice करनी है, then only जो है आपका काम बनने वाला है. Okay, and with the next that is video, and I will come with a few more questions. Those will be that is based on marginal revenue, marginal cost, total cost, average cost है ना, using the actually these are the all the commercial terms, these are terms of the economics. So still we will learn in mathematics using that is application of derivative. So from your home side what you have to do, you should be well familiar about, already I told in the class, in the previous class I told, but still again I want to suggest you that to know the concept easily. So it is important that your contribution is also important. So from your home side what you have to do, you have to go through these terms, revise, try to understand, and then we will go for more questions. Okay, till the next video, bye.